everyone, and welcome back to day number 3 of God So Loved by We the Kingdom. Today we're going to be learning verse 2, at least I'm calling it verse 2. If this is your first video, that means you missed day 1, which we learned verse 1, and also the chorus yesterday, so you'll want to go back. Just a reminder also, if this is your first video, as far as the different songs we have signed, this one is a trickier one. So if you try it and you have trouble, please don't get discouraged. It just means you should go and maybe try one of the other ones first and then come back to this one when you have a little more practice. Okay? Housekeeping, remember, I am left-handed. If you are right-handed, that means you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video, in the description, you'll find lots of helpful links like printing off the lyrics. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. Okay, so today, bring all your failures, bring your addictions. It's not something we generally pack when we go places, but we do bring them when we're coming to Jesus. So that's the cool thing. Okay, so bring, it's a little different. Come is like this, but bring, it's like you're carrying something. Bring. So bring all, we learned that on verse 1, I think. Yep, all your failures. So you have your non-dominant hand out like this, your dominant index kind of sweeps across. Failures. I've also seen it done just with a straight shot. So sweep it straight, it's up to you, okay? Failures. Bring your addictions. So for addictions, it's almost like, it's like something's got you hooked, okay? So you kind of pull on your cheek a little bit, okay? Your addictions. Bring your addictions. Come lay them down at the foot of the cross. Come, and instead of lay them down, we're gonna say, let's, give them to God. Let's sacrifice them. So we're gonna make S's. And you imagine you're keeping something, and then no, I'll give it to God, okay? Keeping it, no, I give it, okay? Sacrifice. A sacrifice. And then at the foot of the cross. So this is a sign for at. Your non-dominant hand is there, and your dominant hand runs into it. At, and then cross. You just make a cross with your dominant hand, okay? At the foot of the cross. Jesus is waiting there. What a great promise. Jesus, you take your middle fingers, nail-pierced hands. Jesus is waiting, okay? So you just take your fingers, kind of wiggle them. He's waiting. Jesus is waiting with open arms. So you take 2 fists for width, and then open, okay? Open, and then arms. Okay, you're just gonna kind of show your arms. And then that repeats. Can you see his open arms? So can you see his, and then you can do open arms, but I just like to actually open my arms and imagine God opening his, okay? So your preference, you can do open arms or just open your arms there, okay? And that's the end of it. Okay, so bring, we're going from the top now, bring all your failures, bring your addictions, come lay them down at the foot of the cross. Jesus is waiting with open arms. Can you see his open arms? Let's try that one more time. Bring all your failures, bring your addictions, come lay them down at the foot of the cross. Jesus is waiting with open arms. Can you see his open arms? Or see his open arms? Okay? And that is verse 2. So tomorrow we have a bit of a bigger section. We're going to learn the bridge along with another little part. It's kind of like chorus B. I'm not sure. This is a really amazing song, but it doesn't quite fit the pattern of other songs. So get a good night's rest, because tomorrow's video is probably going to be a long one. Can't wait to see you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.